Chapter 14 Rookie Mistakes to Avoid When Reconnecting with Odinani. Returning to Odinani, the indigenous knowledge system and spiritual practice of Ndibo, is a deeply personal and meaningful journey. However, it is very important to navigate this path with care and mindfulness to avoid common pitfalls that can hinder one's spiritual growth and understanding. In this section, let's consider 5 rookie mistakes to avoid when rekindling your connection to Odinani, drawing from personal insights and community wisdom. Number 1. The Igba-Afa black hole. A common mistake made is falling into the trap of visiting multiple dibias for Igba-Afa or divination incessantly. In today's world, the practice of Afa is designed to offer solutions, which equally means it is designed to reveal the problems we seek, and constantly seeking divinatory opinions through the current Igba-Afa system as they exist can lead one to a spiral of negativity if they are not properly prepared beforehand. There's nothing wrong with seeking insights through Afa divination, but doing it so incessantly is what we advise against. Instead, focus on introspection and addressing challenges with a balanced perspective. Number 2. Chasing appeasements without alignment. Another pitfall is chasing after appeasements or ichoaja with various spiritual forces before finding alignment with one's self. True spiritual growth begins with being at peace with your chi or personal spirit. Without this alignment, seeking external solutions may only lead to temporary relief or worse, more confusion. Number 3. Seeking quick wealth through ogwego. Approaching Odinani with the sole intention of gaining quick wealth through ogwego, rituals for material gain, is a serious mistake. This mindset usually leads to involvement in fraudulent schemes or falling victim to fear-based manipulation in the hands of so-called spiritualists. Genuine spiritual practice requires patience, dedication, and a focus on inner transformation rather than material gain. Number 4. Reinstating ancestral forces without community support. Attempting to reinstate ancestral forces, such as household alusi, deities, without the support of family or community members can have dire consequences. Odinani is deeply rooted in communal tradition, and going against the principle can lead to disharmony and spiritual discord within oneself and the community at large. Please avoid this mistake at all costs to prevent ending up with more problems than you started with. Number 5. Neglecting study and guidance. Finally, neglecting to put in the necessary work or seek guidance from experienced practitioners can hinder your progress in Odinani. Regardless of age or status, humility and willingness to learn are essential virtues. Take the time to ask questions, conduct research, and seek mentorship wherever it is necessary to deepen your understanding of Odinani's principles and practices. If you're reading this book, then I do not believe you have this problem. However, it is still important to keep this in mind. In conclusion, returning to Odinani is a transformative journey that requires careful navigation and a commitment to spiritual growth. I applaud you for taking the steps to find your way back. I can assure you that by avoiding these rookie mistakes and approaching the practice with humility, intentionality, and community support, you can cultivate a deeper connection with your cosmic forces, including nature, and experience the profound peace, wisdom, and guidance it will bring into your life. If you've made some of these mistakes already, don't worry. You know better now. So do better by helping others around you avoid the same mistakes. One of the ways you can do that is by sharing this book with others. We genuinely hope everything we've covered in this book serves as a good, simple introduction to Odinani for you. Thank you for reading. The end.